So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you the Kuretake Fudebiyori brush pens. Let me see if you're okay. There it is. The tip is pretty similar to that of the Tombos, but the Tombos are bigger, like not bigger, larger, although the shape is pretty much the same. I'm gonna be comparing this to the Tombos just because everybody knows Tombos. Everybody who likes hand lettering has tried, owns a set of Tombos at least. So let's see. This pack surprisingly comes in 12 colors. None of them is black. I bought this and I didn't know there was no black, and that's just weird for me to not have black. But anyway, I guess you can find the black separately somewhere else. But anyway, these colors are really cute. You're gonna see them. Let's start. So we also want to know if they are blendable. They claim to be they are dye based, water based, felt tip. So I'm gonna try blending them like we do with the Tombos, and water blending them. And let's see, let's start. So okay, that went out well. I'm blending them with my favorite method for blending, which is using any ceramic bowl and just picking up the color. As you can see, the color is on the tip, and then just writing down. You'd notice that I shut up when I'm writing because it's very hard for me to letter and write at the same time. I'm not even breathing. I'm gonna be cleaning up. That's so weird. Like the color is coming out as it is already, but I can still see like the tip is a little bit stained. But anyway, that's how I like to blend my Tombos. There is the other way that people do it, like touching the tips. So let me see if I can do it that way. As you can, sorry, I'm out of camera. As you can see, the tip is like, it's pink. So let's see if it works. Ooh. Yes, it does. Oh gosh, it does. It blends too. Let me clean it up. This doesn't have a problem because it's a darker color. I actually think that it works better when you put the two tips together than when you do it with the plastic or with the ceramic in my case. But I still like this method better just because it's easier to just pick up the color from there. Although I'm so basic, my lettering is so basic that I actually don't use this too much because I'm lucky enough if I can write a word nicely. So imagine if I'm trying to write nicely and also to blend at the same time. It's just it's just way too much for me right now. But I'm gonna get there eventually. We are gonna get there eventually. So this is for the blending. I need to try blend them with water. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So here I have a set of brushes that I bought some time ago. I had never used them. I just have them there. I thought I was gonna use them more, but watercolor is kind of hard for me. Let's see. I'm just gonna use one to try to blend this. Which one should I use? Maybe this one. Let's try this one. So let's try another shade. This one is the sand. Okay, I think that's enough. Then some water. Although this paper is not watercolor, but maybe in a watercolor paper it would work better, but this is a sketch paper. And usually my Tombows totally destroy it. Let me close the window because I think the light is bothering us, visually speaking. Yes, much better. So they do blend with water. I don't know if it is because of the paper being not meant for this, but you can see the hard line. I cannot seem to be able to diffuse this anymore. Let's see. Let's try with two colors. This beautiful yellow and the sand again. And yellow ochre, I don't know how they call it. Let me see if I can blend them together. Come to mama. I think they blend pretty well. I'm just worried that the paper is coming apart and the pieces of paper are sticking to the tip of my knee, but I'm very careful with my knees. Sorry, pardon my French. Where is my pen? My brush? Okay, here it is. Because I have a heavy hand, a very heavy hand, so I need brushes that can deal with it. But yeah, they do blend, which is nice. I wish I were better at doing this, but you know, I don't do watercolors. I don't own a watercolor piece of paper. I don't even have one, so I cannot try it on watercolor paper for you. But I think you have a pretty good idea already of the blending quality of this. I really like, my best result so far is when I touch the two tips of them. I think it's when the blending shows even more. But this one was not bad at all. This is more subtle. Maybe I just needed to pick more paint from the ceramic. So now that we have done that, let me get another page. As you can see, the paper was tearing apart, so let's just try it on this paper. Yeah, and let's compare it to a Tombow. So let's compare. I'm taking this one because it's similar to this one, to the sand. So let's do it. As you can tell, this is my favorite color from this pack. So are they good for beginners who has still not control over the brush pens? Let's see. Well, you saw that I could write something, but I don't know. What do I write? Oh gosh. Okay. This was with the Kuretake, and now let's try Tombow. This is more orange, although the caps seem similar. The Tombow one is more orange. So I'm gonna put them side to side one more time for you to see. The Tombow nib is larger, but even though, let me see this. I have problems like getting super thin strokes with the tombos, with any brush, to be honest. But this is as thick as I can get with my tombos. Now let's see how thick I can get with this. Okay, I think that my thinner lines are thinner with the Kuretake, and I'm pushing hard, guys. Like, I'm pushing down really hard, and this is as thick as I can get. It's pretty similar. The Tombo's thickness is like by millimeters is a bit thicker than the Kuretake. I don't see like that ombre effect that we all liked so much when we push down, like with the eco line, that you push it down and you get an ombre effect. I don't see that in here. That's it, guys. Those are the swatches of the Kuretake Fudebiyori brush pens. I truly recommend this for beginners. I mean, if I can write this nicely, although this is not perfect, but trust me, compared to what I've done in the past, this is nice. And they have a nice flexibility to them. The tip bounces back. That's always very good and important whenever you're shopping for brush pens. You don't want to fray them too quickly because that's a waste of money. So it needs to be a tip that bounces back, and these ones do just fine. They are similar to the Tombos in how the tip feels, but at the same time I feel they are a little bit more flexible. And just like the Tombos don't totally flatten on the paper, these ones don't either. Like the flexibility is like the first half of the tip that is flexible, so it's nice. I have some other brushes also from another Japanese brand that I'm liking a lot because it's very affordable and the whole tip bends, and you can get even thicker strokes than this, although the tip doesn't look like it's gonna give you a thick stroke, but you're gonna see it on my next videos. For now, if you were hesitating about whether to get these ones or not, I really say go for it. You won't regret it. The only thing is, as you can tell, there is no black and you're gonna be missing that out. Maybe you can find the black one separately, perhaps. I hope so. I hope to find it too. And that's it. If you wanna see anything else or you wanna leave a comment, leave it in the comments below, please. So feel free to subscribe. This is a new channel and I'm learning to do this, but subscribing is motivation for me. So that's all, guys. See you next.